Hey, if you wonder what kind of the charger you can use with your iPhone 16, then on the box of your iPhone 16 you can find recommendation. And let's just catch the focus, it's right here. As you can see, Apple recommend us to use chargers between 4.5 watts to 23 watts. And honestly, they will actually force you to buy an Apple power adapter, but you don't have to. I'm using accessories from my Android phone. There's the Samsung Galaxy M15 5G cable. I didn't even unpack this one, the original cable. Take a look, it's still right here. I wasn't even touching this because I'm using this one with my Pixel also. And if you wonder about the charging brick, then you can use basically any other charging brick. So I'm gonna actually show you which one I'm using. Also, by the way, I'm using this cheap wireless charger. And for charging, I'm using this one. This is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 3.0 quick charge, and it works fine. As you can see, it's like old power adapter. There's like 2 or 3 years old, but it works fine and it's charging my iPhone 15. So what I want to say, you don't have to buy any expensive power adapters. You can use any other that you have around you and everything will be fine. You don't have to worry you are not gonna damage the battery of your iPhone or something.